Welcome back to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. Today we continue Morphology of Flowering Plants with the stem. We'll look at its structure, types, and key modifications with examples important for exams. Don't miss our daily NEET MCQs and PYQs series. The playlist is linked in the description and in the cards above. So, let's get started. Now, let's see what stem is. The stem grows upward from the plumule of the seed and usually stays erect. It bears branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Stems have nodes and internodes and contain terminal and axillary buds. The stem supports the plant, conducts water and food, and sometimes also helps in storage, photosynthesis, or protection. Let's talk about functions of stem in detail. The stem supports branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. It transports water, minerals, and food through xylem and phloem. In some plants like potato and ginger, it stores food. Green stems like opuntia can do photosynthesis. Stems can also reproduce new plants by vegetative propagation, as in sugarcane and potato. Now, let's talk about types of stems. Stems are of three types. Aerial stems grow above the ground, like in sunflower and mango. Underground stems store food and help in survival and reproduction, like potato, ginger, and onion. Subaerial stems are partly above and partly below the ground, helping in spreading and vegetative reproduction, such as runner, stolon, sucker, and offset. Let's talk about aerial stem modifications. Stems can be modified in many ways for special functions. Tendrils are modified stems that help plants climb, as seen in pea and pumpkin. Thorns protect the plant from herbivores. Examples include bougainvillea and citrus. Cladodes or filiclades are flattened green stems that carry out photosynthesis, like in opuntia. Hooks also help climbing in plants like smilax. Now, let's talk about underground stem modifications. Underground stems help in storing food, surviving tough conditions, and vegetative reproduction. Rhizomes are horizontal stems, like ginger and turmeric. Tubers are swollen stem tips, like potatoes. Bulbs have a short stem with fleshy leaves for storage, as in onion and garlic. Corms are short, vertical, swollen stems, like colocasia and gladiolus in opuntia. Hooks also help climbing in plants like smilax. Let's quickly recap what we learned about stems. Stems can be aerial, underground, or subaerial. Aerial stems may form tendrils, thorns, or cladodes. Underground stems include rhizomes, tubers, bulbs, and corms. Stems support the plant, transport water and food, store nutrients, perform photosynthesis, and help in vegetative propagation. Remember the examples, they are important for exams. Here's your challenge question for today. Identify the type of stem modification in the following examples. 1. Ginger. 2. Potato. 3. Opuntia. 4. Bougainvillea. 5. Runner and strawberry. Comment your answers or send them to us on Telegram or Instagram. That's all for today's episode on STEM system. We learned about stem types, their modifications, and important examples for exams. In the next episode, we will study leaves, their types, venation, and modifications with examples. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology. Follow us on social media so you stay updated. See you in the next episode.